right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these patterns and you'd like to learn them each individually step by step, go ahead to our website, ballroomfeet.com, where we break down each of these patterns individually before putting them in the combination, so it's nice and clear and easy to learn. And then you can put them in the combination just like we did here, and it will be much easier for you at that point, okay? So go ahead, check it out, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.